In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Google Sites. Start by opening the Google site you want to publish with your own domain. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account that has access to the site. Once the site editor is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and select the Settings option, shown as a small gear icon. This is where Google Sites keeps the publishing and domain options. Inside Settings, find the section called Custom Domains. Select it, and then choose the option to connect a domain. This begins the setup process that links your website address to your Google site. Next, you will be asked to choose where your domain is managed. If your domain is available through Google Domains, you can select it from the list. Otherwise, choose the option to set up your custom domain. This is the right choice for most people who bought their domain from another registrar. Now enter your domain name, like yourdomain.com, and then select Next. Be careful to type it correctly. Use only the domain name itself, without extra paths or page links. Also make sure you are using the exact domain you want visitors to use, such as the root domain or a subdomain depending on how you plan to set it up. After that, Google Sites will give you DNS instructions. This typically includes records like a CNAME record and sometimes a TXT record for verification. Keep this tab open, then open a new tab and sign in to your domain registrar, which is the service where you purchased and manage your domain. Go to the DNS settings for your domain and add the records exactly as shown in Google Sites. Match the host or name field, the record type, and the value. Small differences can prevent the connection from working. Once you save your DNS changes, return to Google Sites and continue through the prompts. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so if verification does not complete right away, wait a bit and try again. When everything is confirmed, you are done with the connection. Finally, select Publish to make sure the latest version of your site is live on your custom domain. That covers everything you need to know.